In this video you will learn how to clear cache in CapCut PC, open CapCut application, launch CapCut on Windows PC by double clicking its icon and selecting your start menu. Go to settings. Once CapCut opens, click on your profile icon and the menu icon in the upper right hand corner, then choose settings from the drop down menu, navigate to cache management. In the settings panel look for the option labelled cache management or storage settings. In this section you can control temporary data stored by CapCut. Navigate to cache management. In the settings panel look for the option labelled cache management or storage settings. This section controls temporary data stored by CapCut. Click on clear cache. Find and click clear cache button to remove unnecessary temporary files stored by the app. This helps free up space and improve performance. Confirm the action. Confirm. A confirmation message will appear. By clicking yes or confirm to proceed, we'll delete all the cache data in CapCut. Restart CapCut. After clearing your cache, restart CapCut to ensure the changes take full effect and the app runs smoothly. Now you know how to clear your cache in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.